Well, folks, if you want to make your way over here, we got some big news from GM Performance Parts, things that are going to shape this industry for the coming months and years. I got three things I want to accomplish this morning. I want to talk to you about the new E-Rod line of engines that we're going to launch today. Also want to talk to you about an update on the emission standard of these E-Rod engines. And thirdly, we're going to unveil, I think, two of the coolest cars here at SEMA all week. So first of all, I want to remind you of last year when the GM Performance Parts team came out. We rolled out the LS3, the first of its kind, an emissions-compliant engine, the LS3 E-Rod package, 430 horsepower. It really has set the standard in this industry. But today, we're going to expand the portfolio by three more engines. Starting immediately, you'll be able to get a 315 horsepower, 5.3-liter E-Rod engine right out of the Chevrolet Silverado. Comes packaged with everything you need. 335 foot-pounds of torque. Following this will be the LSA, folks, and I'm going to move through here, so be careful. This is our LSA, supercharged, 376 cubic inches right out of your CTSV. Comes with everything you need to make 556 horsepower, 551 foot-pounds of torque. But all of the E-Rod engines are a complete package, folks. Manifolds, cats, the wiring harness, the gas pedal, E67 controller, and the calibration to all make it run together and be emissions compliant. So I want to give you a quick update on where we stand from an emissions standpoint, because this is a big challenge for this industry, and I need all your help. The media, all of my industry partners, and then this great team behind me of engineers. We're proud to announce that the LS3 E-Rod has obtained an EO certificate from California, making it legal in vehicles from 96 and older, pre-OBD2 cars. Folks, this is going to open up 20 million cars just in the state of California alone that you can modify, you can build, you can restore, you can write stories about. This is going to change this industry forever. Now, folks, the big challenge is specially constructed vehicles. And it has been quite a challenge for the GM team, but we're very committed to this. We're working with the SEMA lobbyists. We're working with the state of California, and we're committed to find a solution so that we can build specially constructed vehicles and drive them legally in California or any state in this nation. And as a show of commitment of how dedicated the GM team is to bringing you a solution to specially constructed vehicles in this industry, we've got two great project cars I want to share with you. I'm going to start over here with this amazing vehicle. Let's see it. Yeah, 1955 E-Rod pickup truck. This one inspired by the 5.3 E-Rod. And both of these vehicles, folks, designed by our own Dave Ross. Where's Dave Ross? Put your hand up right there. Master designer from GM Design. Thank you for lending your talents to both of these vehicles, Dave Ross. Media folks, please get to know Dave Ross. I want to see some interviews from him this week, okay, folks? This car is incredible. Built from a Dynacorn repop body, 55 to 57 chassis. It's got cars and incorporated products in it, licensed products for GM Restoration Parts, Classic Industries also helping us make this possible. And then a big thank you to the team at Lingenfelter Performance and Ken Lingenfelter, who's right here. And I'll walk over and shake this man's hand. Thank you, Ken, for everything you've done to make this possible. Folks, make sure you talk to Ken Lingenfelter. I want to see some interviews with Ken Lingenfelter, understand what his great company does and all the fine things he does for General Motors. And this is his vehicle, and we're very grateful to have this man showcase his truck and really be influenced by the E-Rod package. Thank you very much, Ken. Folks, I'm going over here on the other side. We're going to take a look at the Corvette. Guys, this is the next, guys, excuse me, coming through.
Oops, sorry.
Hey, guys. This is our next project car, and I'm so excited to bring this one to you. Oh, wait, hold on. I want to build a drama. This is unbelievable, folks. You have never seen one of these in the United States before. This is a licensed product from General Motors, brought to you by the team at Superformance. First one ever in the United States, inspired by the LSA E-Rod engine. Let's see it. Oh, man, look at this car. Look at this car. I'll give you the stats. It's 2,400 pounds, 556 horsepower. If that can't wake you up in the morning, folks, nothing's gonna. Special thanks to Lance Sander, Todd Anderson, Andrews and his team at Superformance. Thank you, Todd. Thank you, Lance, for making this possible. Lance will make himself available to you for interviews, media folks. If you need a press kit, see Pam Flores. Pam, raise your hand, please. She's in there somewhere. Guys, we just touched on all of the things you can see here in the GM Performance Parts display. We're focused on E-Rod, but we've got the new LS9 supercharger. We've got the new Supermatic transmission, the Supermatic controller, and all of these LSX parts that we're launching here today. Folks, thanks for joining us. The GM Performance Parts display is officially open and ready for business. Have a great week at SEMA.